This is from Grandpa Cliff and Grandma Jeannie.
A cookie.
A cooking? What is it, Kate?
A cookie one.
Is it a cooking set?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you love to cook?
Yes. Wonderful present.
Whoa.
Wonderful present. Here, turn it around and show it to me. Whoa, let me see what, here, let me see the front. That shows me all the things. And look at Papa Bear. Look, it's got a tea set, and it's got dishes and pots and pans and baking stuff.
Look. Ah.
Whoa, this girl's excited. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Papa.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open Cruz first. Okay, bye.